Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into the winner of the Tekton giveaway. If you guys haven't checked out the video, go ahead and check it out where I review the new Tekton long flex head ratchet, and I really hope you guys enjoy that. But before we get into the winner, I do want to thank each and every one of you guys for your support. I'm extremely happy where the channel is, and I really hope you guys enjoy it as well. If you guys ever have any video suggestions, improvements, ideas, anything like that, feel free to drop it down in the comments. I try and respond to everybody that I can, which is usually everybody unless for some reason I don't get notified. But other than that, I have tool reviews, Camaro videos, some vehicle repair videos. I am limited on that because I don't work in a normal shop. I work as a mechanic on a race team, so it's a little bit different. Other than that, I also do car detailing, so if you guys are interested in that, please go ahead and check out some of my car detailing videos where I give tips and tricks, products that I use, also how to wash the exterior and things that you can use, as well as detailing the interior. So if you guys are interested in that, please go ahead and watch those. Or if you would just like to support the channel and watch those videos, I'd greatly appreciate it. But if you guys do enjoy the channel, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below of anything that you suggest, whether that's videos or improvements or anything like that. And as always, please consider subscribing. Other than that, the winner is going to receive, once again, this 3/8 or half-inch drive long flex head ratchet, as well as a hoodie, and I'll get your information and size and everything like that, and we'll get it sent out to you. But this is the long 3/8 flex head ratchet. They've improved the pivot points. It's a much stronger pivot. It holds its place much better. Other than that, you can get it in quick release, non-quick release, and this one I want to say is 4 to 4.5 inches longer than their standard flex head ratchets. So really good length here, and the half-inch drive is obviously even a little bit longer than this. Other than that, they're fantastic ratchets, 90 tooth. If you guys haven't checked out the review, please go ahead and check it out. Other than that, let's get into the winner. So today's winner, out of, I want to say, with all my responses to the comments on the video, we had somewhere around 330 comments. So roughly maybe 165 or so of actual comments from you guys. So I greatly appreciate that. It was a great turnout, and don't worry if you didn't win, there's going to be more to come in the future, so stay tuned, keep watching, and I really hope you guys enjoy. So the winner for the Tekton long flex head ratchet is going to be Camaro Mac. You can reach me many ways, whether that be email, Facebook, Tony the Technician, Instagram, Tony the Technician. There's a lot of ways to reach me. You can comment and I'll reply to you. We can exchange information if you can't find my Facebook or Instagram or anything like that. But we'll exchange information and I'll get that sent out to you, or Tekton will get that sent out to you. So just send me your hoodie size, and I'm a medium. I ordered a medium and it fits really well, so sizing is actually really good. And other than that, I'll get your preference on whether that be 3/8 or half-inch, and then quick release or non-quick release. But once again, thank you guys so much for all of your support. Stay tuned for future giveaways and videos. And once again, please, if you guys support the channel, continue to watch the videos. And I can't thank you guys enough. I'm extremely happy where we are. And other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Take care.